They called it unsinkable, the greatest ship ever built. But what if I told you it was doomed from the start? This is the true story of the Titanic. The Titanic was a floating palace of steel and luxury. It was the pinnacle of human engineering, or so they thought. For days into its maiden voyage, the unthinkable happened. The Titanic sank. But here's the thing. The Titanic was a disaster waiting to happen. It was doomed from the start. They knew it was dangerous to sail the North Atlantic in April. The ship had only 20 lifeboats on board. It's not even enough for half the people on the ship. And to make matters worse, a fire had been burning inside one of the coal bunkers for days before the ship set sail, in the exact area where the iceberg would later strike, possibly weakening the hull. On the night of the disaster, the crew received multiple iceberg warnings, but Captain Smith chose to maintain speed. Some say he wanted to impress the world by arriving in New York early. Then the ship hit an iceberg and began to sink. Here's the most haunting part. Another ship was close enough to help. The SS Californian. It saw Titanic's distress rockets, but it didn't respond. Why it didn't come to the rescue remains one of the biggest mysteries of the disaster. In the end, more than 1,500 lives were lost, not just to the ocean, but to human pride, poor planning, and ignored warnings. Today, all that remains are the echoes beneath the sea, and the haunting reminder that even the unsinkable can fall.